how to buy trench card token. So before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in Wall crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 187 members on their community, as you can see here. So this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 17 hours ago and increased by 144% in less than 4 hours. This token also trending number 10 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Click on understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive on that token, as you can see here. To select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select the Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back, as you can see here, click on swap, and you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy trench card token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.